Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to recreating meme sounds. This is gonna be one of the cringiest videos I will ever post, so I apologize for that, but I hope you enjoy.
Just so you guys know, I don't want to do this video.
You will do what daddy
Please.
tells you to do.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, the first meme sound we're gonna try to recreate is the Tuco get out sound. This is what it sounds like.
Get out!
That's actually good. Get out!
That shit was ass, bro.
Guys, next up we're gonna recreate the metal pipe falling sound effect. This is what it sounds like.
This is so dumb, bro. Bro, how the fuck am I supposed to do that?
Just do it, bro.
I can't. My brain can't. My brain can't do this, bro. Is that good?
Nah, that was ass.
Bro, that shit sounds
That was better.
ass, bro.
That was better. I found a modern meme sound effects compilation. So Sigma. We're gonna recreate the sounds from here. That was good. Alright, next one.
This is so dumb. This is so dumb.
Alright, next one. Alright, next one. I can do this one really well. Alright, next one.
What the hell, boy?
Let me give it my best, okay?
Alright.
Boy, what the hell, boy?
What the actual fuck was that?
I tried to do the smoker laugh, bro, but I can't.
Boy, what the hell, boy? Next one. What is this shit?
Okay. That was kind of good.
Next up. Alright, next. Next.
Goddamn!
Alright, next one.
Legalize nuclear bombs.
I'll make the music and you. Alright.
Legalize nuclear bombs.
I think that was perfect.
Bro, that shit went hard, bro.
Alright, next one.
No, yes.
No, yes.
Na 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 now. Na 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 now. Yes. Alright, next one.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Oh my god, bro. Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Who invited this, man?
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell nah, man. What the fuck, man? Who invited this kid? Get your ass on, bro. Next one.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
What's up, guys? Quandale Dingle here. I'm gonna cringe the fuck out of myself editing this. Only the real ones watch to the end.
Run!
Next one.
What the hell? Oh my god, no way, yeah.
What the hell? Oh my god. Yeah.
What the hell? Oh my god, no way, yeah. Yay! If you watched this video to the end, I'm sorry for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Mwah.